grouped together. Something has their attention. A newborn baby.
Very young. 1 week old.
This must be the matriarch, Fern's baby. She came into the swamp to give birth.
Baby's sleeping.
They're keen to blow away any bothersome insects.
She wants to sleep, but the mother and the aunties want her to get up. Now that it is cooler, the females want to go to the river, but the baby wants to stay. At first, I wondered